Hey everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you about the document object model, which is a very integral part of the JavaScript. So which is a very famous part of the JavaScript, that is the document object model, whereas they're having a various use and responsibility that document object model creates. So let's continue one by one what aspects it's create more. So first is the introduction of the document object model. What is exactly the document object model is a programming interface for web documents, and it represents the structure of a document as a tree of objects and making it possible for programming languages such as JavaScript to manipulate the content, structure and style of a document, which is we're going to learn how we can manipulate the designing part of the HTML or CSS, how we can manipulate them and create a very good designing part. And in further we having a document object tree structure like document, HTML, head, meta, title and body. So the first one, the document object model represents a document as a tree structure where each node is an object representing a part of the document. So whichever document we have, so they having some kind of a in some elements or some content that we going to be manipulate with the help of the JavaScript. The second is nodes can be elements, attributes, text, comments and more. So that nodes can be anything, like elements can be happen of the HTML part, of the attributes can be happen like images or some contrast which we going to manipulate in the JavaScript for designing part, the text and comments. So which is we going to recover in this tutorial. Along with that, we're going to learn some basic document object model nodes. Document, first, what is called the document? The document is the root node of the document tree, which is the very a very basic part, which is very starting point of the JavaScript, which file can be located or denoted to the HTML as well, which we're going to learn in this tutorial. Second one is the element, represents an HTML or XML element. Third one is the attribute, represents an attribute of an element. And the last one, that is text, represents the text content of an element or attribute. So what is element, what is attribute, where we need to use attribute or element, which this is we going to learn. Have a look about the project which we going to create in this tutorial as well at the end of the document objects basic part. So this is the project that I have created with the help of the basic structure with the document, element, attribute and text. So first one we have, that is introduction. So in the introduction part, this part will become. The second is accessing elements. Accessing element is by ID, by class name, by tag name, by query selector. The another is modifying elements. Modifying element like changing content, changing attributes. And the second one is creating elements. Okay. And then is event handling. So event handling, what is event handling? So basically removing elements, adding an event listeners, so on. So this is the short project that we're going to create at the end of the this tutorial. So let's